Dear students, the morning session, the previous session, we discussed about linear differential equation, linear in y and linear x. So we have to see a few examples. The expression satisfying the differential equation x square minus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 1 is. X square y minus xy squared c y square minus 1 into x equal to y plus c x square minus 1 into y equal to x plus c none of this. X squared minus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 1 dy by dx plus 2x by x square minus 1 into y equal to 1 by x square minus 1. dy by dx plus py equal to q. p equal to 2x by q equal to 1 by x square. Just the standard form. Compare with p takes value 2x by x minus 1, x square minus 1, q takes value 1 by x square minus 1. First you find integral p dx. Integral 2x by x square minus 1 into dx. Then you will get log x square minus 1. The denominator, the differentiation of denominator exists in the numerator. The answer is log of denominator. Log x square minus 1 using the formula f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x. Then you find e power integral p dx, that is integrating factor, e power log x square minus 1, that is equal to x square minus 1. Solution is y into e power integral p dx del q dx plus c, y into x square minus 1 equal to integral q, that is 1 by x square minus 1 e power integral p dx, that is x squared dx plus c. dx plus c y equal to, so y into x square minus 1 equal to x plus c. So option C is correct. Next question. If the solution of the differential equation one minus x squared into dy by dx plus xy equal to x into 1 minus x squared whole power 1 by 2 is y equal to f of x plus c in root of 1 by minus x squared, then f of x is x log modulus x root of 1 minus x squared root of 1 minus x squared minus root of 1 minus x squared log root of, if you don't mention any base, it is natural log of the base e. Minus x ln or log. Minus x. So dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x squared into y equal to x into 1 minus x squared whole power half by 1 minus x squared. If we cancel this terms, x by root of 1 minus x squared. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p equal to x by 1 minus x squared, q equal to x by root of 1 minus x squared. Integral p dx equal to integral x by 1 minus x squared dx equal to, if you differentiate, you will get minus 2x, that is missing. 1 by minus 2 minus 2x by 1 minus x squared equal to minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x squared minus log root of 1 minus x squared or log 1 minus x whole power minus half. It means that 1 by log 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Next, e power integral p dx, e power log 1 by root of 1 minus x squared, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Solution is y into e power integral p dx equal to q e power integral p dx plus c. y into 1 by root of 1 minus a equal to integral q, that is x by root of 1 minus x squared into this also 1 by root of x dx plus c. So y into 1 by root of 1 minus x by plus c minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by dx plus c minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x squared plus c. If the differentiation of denominator exists in the numerator, the answer is log of the denominator, that is log 1 minus x whole power minus of plus c 1 by root of plus c. Therefore, y equal to root of 1 minus x squared log 1 by root of 1 minus plus c into root of 1 minus x squared. Y equal to minus root of 1 minus x squared log, if you bring to numerator whole power minus 1, then whole power minus 1 proceed root of 1 minus x squared, that is minus root of 1 minus x squared log root of 1 minus x squared plus c into root of 1 minus x squared. So comparing with y equal to f of x plus c into root of 1 minus x squared we get f of x equal to minus root of so option C is correct. The general solution of the differential equation x plus 2y cube dy by dx equal to y is x minus y cubed equal to c y equal to x into x square plus c y minus x cubed equal to c x equal to y into x square plus c. The given equation contains y cubed, therefore it can be linear. Linear means maximum of y should be 1. Therefore, x plus 2y cubed by y equal to dx by dy. X by y plus 2y squared equal to dx by dy. Dx by dy minus x by y equal to 2y squared. So this is linear in x, that is dx by dy plus px equal to q. P takes value minus 1 by y, q takes value 2y squared, integral p dy minus 1 by y dy minus log y power minus 1, that is log 1 by y e power integral p dy equal to e power log 1 by y, that is 1 by y. Solution is x into e power integral p dy integral q e power integral p dy plus c. X into e power integral p dy, that is 1 by y equal to the q. In place of q we have 2y squared. For integral e power integral p dy we have 1 by y dy plus c. 2y dy plus c. Equal to x by y equal to 2 into x equal to y into y square plus c. So option D is correct. Next concept, differential equation reducible to linear form. Bernoulli's equation. An equation is of the form dy by dx plus vy q into y power n. Where P and Q are functions of x alone. Or constants. Is called Bernoulli's equation. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to y squared. X not equal to 0 may be given by 1 by y equal to minus x log x plus cx. Option B, y equal to x log modulus x plus c. C equal to xy whole power minus 1 minus y log modulus x plus cy. Option D is x inverse y log modulus y plus cy. So this is, if it is a linear in y, we should not have y square term here. Therefore, dividing by y square throughout, 1 by y squared dy by dx, 1 by x into y by y squared equal to 1. 1 by y squared dy by dx, 1 by x into 1 by y equal to 1. Put z equal to 1 by y. dz by dx equal to minus 1 by y squared into dy by dx, which implies minus dz by dx equal to 1 by y squared dy by dx. In place of 1 by y square dy by dx, you take minus dz by dx. Plus, in place of 1 by you take z equal to 1. So, dz by dx minus z by x equal to minus 1. So this is d linear in z, that is dz by dx plus pz equal to q, p equal to minus 1 by x, q equal to minus 1. Integral p dx, integral minus 1 by x dx minus log x, that is log 1 by x, e per integral p dx equal to e per log 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by x. Is that solution? Is that e per integral p dx q e per integral p dx dx plus c. Linear z means in place of y you have to apply z. So z into 1 by x q, that is minus 1, this is equal to 1 by x dx plus c minus log modulus x plus c z by x. So z it takes the 1 by y equal to 1 by x minus log modulus x plus c. So 1 by y minus x log modulus x plus cx. Bring x right hand side. So among the given options, option A is correct. The differential equation dy by dx plus one plus 1 by x sin 2y x cube cos squared y represents a family of curves is given by the equation option A x power 6 plus 6x squared equal to c tan y. Six x squared tan y equal to x power 6 plus c sin 2y equal to x cube cos squared y plus c d none. You can divide by cos squared y. 1 by cos squared y divided by dx 1 by x sin 2y by cos squared y equal to x cube. This is not linear y. We should not have y term here. So that you have to bring cos squared to the left hand side. Secant square dy by dx 1 by x sin 2y, that is two sin y cos y by cos squared y equal to x cube. One cos y will be cancelled. Secant square dy by dx equal to plus 1 by x 2 tan y equal to x cube. Let's z equal to tan y, dz by dy equal to secant squared y dy by dx. So dz by dy plus 1 by x 2z equal to x cube. dz by dx plus pz equal to q. P equal to 2 by x. Q equal to x cube. First we find integral p dx, that is 2 by x dx, 2 into log x, that is log x squared, e per integral p dx, e per log x squared, that is x squared. Z into e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral v dx dx plus c. So z into x squared del q, that is x cube into x squared dx plus c. So z x squared, here x power 5 dx plus c. Z x squared x power 6 by 6 plus c. Z equal to tan y x squared equal to x power 6 plus c. Or in place of c you can write a another constant a or k like that. Multiply by 6 tan y into x squared, 6 tan y into x squared equal to x power 6 plus 6a. 6 tan y x squared equal to, even nothing wrong with that. Even if you take c, it's no issue. C 6 tan y x squared, like 6c, that is also c. It's a carbonic constant. If you multiply any constant, again you will get a constant. So 6 tan y into x squared equal to x power 6 plus c. So option B is correct. Solution of differential equation by inspection. Integral dx equal to x, integral d of tan x equal to tan x, like that. There are many cases. By inspection we can straight away tell the answer. Integral d of minus 1 by xy equal to x dy plus y dx by xy whole square. d of e power y by x, x e power y dy minus e power y e power y dx by x squared. D of e power x by y, y into e power x dx minus e power x into dy by y squared. If this term exists, which is equal to this term, straightaway you can write the answer. Instead of integrating this, it is equal to integrating this one. The answer is e power x by y. D of log x square plus y squared, x dx plus y dy by x square plus y squared. D of log x by y dx minus x dy by xy. D of log y by x x dx minus y dy minus y dx by xy. D of tan of x by y dx minus x dy by x square plus y squared. D of tan of y by x x dy minus y dx by x square plus y squared. D of xy equal to x dy plus y dx D of log xy equal to x dy plus y dx by xy. D of x square by y squared equal to 2y squared x dx minus 2y x square dy by y power 4. D of y square by x squared equal to 2x square dy minus 2x y square dx by x power 4. D of x by y equal to y dx minus x dy by y squared. D of y by x equal to x dy minus y dx by x squared. So we have discussed this concept already. There is a tangent meter t, normal g, p of x comma y is a perpendicular n. So Pt equal to tangent t, the length of tangent, y into root of Pt equal to y in root of 1 plus divided by dx. Bg, length of y into root of 1 plus dy by dx whole squared. Tn, length of subtangent y by dy by dx. Equal to y into dy by dx. Solve y into 2x squared y plus e power x into dx minus e power x plus y cubed into dy equal to 0. So y e power x dx minus e power x dy plus 2x squared y squared dx minus y cube dy equal to 0. y e power x dx minus e power x dy by y squared plus 2x squared dx minus y dy equal to 0. This can be written as using the result e power x by y plus 2x squared dx minus y dy equal to 0. Integral d of e power xy plus twice integral x square dx minus integral y dy equal to 0. Integral dx equal to x, that's why this is e power x by y plus 2 into x cube by 3 minus y square by 2 equal to c. If you take 6y as LCM, six into e power x plus 4x cubed y minus 3 y cubed equal to c, which implies 6 e power x plus 4x cubed y minus 6 y cubed equal to 6cy. So we have used the previous results what I taught you, the 14 results in this problem. So you have to, that means d of e power x is straight away like that. Otherwise it will be difficult to solve. Remember 14 results. We will continue the next session. Thank you.